Oh, look at how cute Beanie is. Here we are together on the phone, my brand new phone. There. Here we are. And look at Bippy. Yeah, well, he enjoys being in a video, and here I am. And we just want to say hi, and we're feeling a lot better at this time in the week. I've been spending a lot more time with Beanie, eating all my meals with him. He was feeling really left out, weren't you? He was feeling really left out. They noticed things like that. It slipped my mind because we had just moved. And I'm in a room and not in a whole house. And then my other sweetie passed away. So I just didn't even think right for quite a while. And so Beanie was having a real big fit about everything, weren't you, BB? Well, luckily I figured out what was wrong. I sat and thought and thought hard about what Beanie would be having giant fits about. Yeah. I wish I could. Oh, I forgot that I've got a tripod I can put this on. Look at my cutie. There you are. Look at yourself. Aren't you cute? There you are. Excuse me. I'll have to cut that part out, but look at you. You're so cute. You're too cute. Yeah. Well, say hi to everybody. Yeah. We're doing a lot better this Friday. Bye-bye, all.